Here I have VERNEE Mix 2, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So, firstly, you have to select your language. I'll stay with English, then tap Get Started. Then you have an opportunity to insert SIM card, but if you don't have one, you can just skip the step for now and insert SIM card anytime later. Here you can back up your previous phone. If you want, you can just back up your apps and data, but if you don't want, you can just set up this phone as new. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network around you, you can just don't use any network for setup and connect to the Wi-Fi anytime later. Then you have Google services. If you want them, you can just leave them. If you don't want them, you have an opportunity to disable them right now, but in any case you will have to agree with Google's terms of service. Then you set up your date and time. Then you can enter your name, tap next. Then you can set up your fingerprint, but you can skip the step for now and do this anytime later in settings. Then you can add another Google account, review additional apps, or just set up these features later. And that's it. As you can see, now your device is ready to be used. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.